And it's not just movies. The effect is even more dramatic when you're reading something sad. It can make you eat more than twice as much popcorn than a happy story can. Hi, Dr. Miller here. Planning to watch a movie tonight? If you're trying to lose weight, choose a comedy instead of a tearjerker. That's because sad movies encourage overeating. According to one study, you're likely to eat about 1/3 more buttered popcorn when you watch a sad movie than when you enjoy a happy one. And it's not just movies. The effect is even more dramatic when you're reading something sad. It can make you eat more than twice as much popcorn than a happy story can. Why? Experts suspect you hope comfort foods will ease the flood of tears. That doesn't mean you always have to choose The Bridesmaids over Bambi. Just be prepared with these precautions. When you head to the multiplex, bring a small bag of nuts and get a large no-cal drink. Both will keep you filled up while you tear up. Before you curl up with a sad book, a movie, or the TV at home, measure out a single serving of your fave food. And before a sad story, read the nutrition labels on your favorite snack first. That will help you eat way less.